Welcome. If you're looking to stay organized and never lose track of important conversations, LinkedIn's latest update makes it easier than ever to find your starred messages, especially those tucked away in the Other section. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find your starred other messages on LinkedIn using your PC, step by step. First, open your preferred browser and head straight to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the messaging features. At the top menu bar, look for the messaging icon. It usually looks like a small speech bubble. Click on it to open your LinkedIn inbox. This is where all your conversations are neatly organized. Once you're inside the messaging area, you'll notice different tabs or sections at the top of your inbox. These include Focused, Other, Archived, and more. For this tutorial, click on the Other tab. This section contains messages that LinkedIn has filtered as less urgent or from people outside your main network, but they can still be very important. Now, within the Other section, look for the Starred option. LinkedIn's update has added this helpful filter, making it easy to find any messages you've marked as important. Click on Starred, and instantly, your inbox will display only the messages you've starred in the Other category. This feature is perfect for keeping track of follow-ups, job offers, networking leads, or any conversation you don't want to lose among the daily flow of messages. No more scrolling endlessly or searching by keyword. Your most important other messages are now just a click away. To recap, open LinkedIn in your browser. Click the messaging icon. Select the Other section, and then click on Starred. That's it. Your starred other messages are now front and center, ready whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips and updates.